Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu holder? So I have two good news today for Shiba Inu holder, and also share my prediction, my technical analysis, and what's my opinion about everything I will tell you. So kindly Shiba Inu holder, congratulations for everyone to they will wake up, subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type of update videos. Obviously channel will guide you, update you every time. You need to just click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for videos notification. So Shiba Inu, one of the fastest coin, my friend, from last 2 weeks, this coin is completely falls down. You can see here the last 1 hour, they also after a short jump they falls down. So this is really bad news for all of you brothers too. This is very bad coin. Yeah, but you can say, my friends, this is very good for a short time, not for a long time. If you want to invest, if you have any plan to invest for a short time, absolutely, my friend, Shiba Inu is good coin now, my brother. So this time you can see here the Shiba Inu price is increasing hour by hour, minute by minute, but definitely, my friend, just only from last 24 hour, my brother. But last 1 hour they again fails down. So therefore, my friend, you can see after a jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a very huge jump now. So congratulations for everyone. Today I will give you a profit just in only in last 24 hour. And I know, my brother, if they will move upward like that, then exactly they will give you more profits now. But just in only if they take a my friend, they take a jump more and more, and you need to hold it. Don't sell it, please don't sell it. Hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my friends, the price will be double now, and if the price will be double now, then they will make you a millionaire now. So thanks for watching holder. Please Shiba Inu holder, like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.